welcome back, guys. So today I have another unwrapping for you guys to check this out. I'm not sure what my wife ordered, but it seems like it's pretty quite heavy, and I believe this is like a bedding sheets. So let's go ahead and open this up and then show you guys. Let me take out the invoice. So here's the SKU number, the UPC code, product description. It seems like it's deep fit sheets, king size. And then that's the price. But normally we don't pay that price. We have additional 30% off. So this one's a king size craft and barrel. The Easy Care sheets with the 525 thread counts. No iron, 18-inch secure fit, low piling. And then original retail price on this is $119.99. And here are the dimension. You get the 4-piece sets included. One king flat sheets, 112-inch width by 106-inch length, or equivalent to 284.4 centimeter by 26 by 269.2 centimeter. There's a one king's fitted sheets with the 1-inch wide or round elastic, 76-inch width by 80-inch length, fit up to 18-inch mattress, or is equivalent to 193 centimeter by 203.2 centimeter, fit up to 45.7 centimeter mattress. And you'll get two of these king size pillowcases, 20-inch width by 40-inch length, or 50.8 inch by 101.6 centimeter. And you get the top and bottom label for easy placement. Mix and match for your bedding to create a look that's all your own. More style, more sizes at Kohl's.com. Let's go and then take it out. It's a pretty tight fit. Not sure how they squeeze in there. So these are the two of the pillowcases. Pretty nice. So I think this is the sheets with the 1-inch elastic. Let me check. Yeah. Yeah, so you got the 1-inch elastic. And then there's a label, top or bottom, so you don't get mixed up with the sides. And then this one's flatted sheets. This is what it looks like on the inside. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.